Hey guys, Sean with the Rhinestone World. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use our TRW Super Heart Monogram. Now, this font is compatible for all software, so as long as you can install TrueType font, you're able to use this font. So you're going to get three separate fonts, a 2, 3, and a 4 letter. So they're going to work a little bit differently. So first of all, you're going to get a stoned out version and a vectorized version. So you'll see right here in our fonts, we have our TRW Super Heart, and then we have the S, and then we have the same but with a V. So this S is going to be for stones, and then the V is going to be for vectors. So you're actually going to get two different fonts for each one. So if we want to use just the vector version, I can select my Super Heart V2L. You'll see up here we have an upper and lower. So if I want it the left side of the heart, I'm going to type in lowercase. If I want the right, I'm going to type in uppercase. So this one's pretty easy. So we're going to go lowercase first, and I'm just going to write S, and then we're going to do uppercase M. Go ahead and select the font. Make that a little bit larger. So you can see our 2 letter right here. So if I want the same thing, I can select the the S2L, and that's going to be the stone version. So once I have two different options, or I have my third option where I can combine the stones and the vector. So I can go ahead and resize this to 10s, go ahead and move this over, add it to the back, and then I'm just going to have it fit right with my design. And now I can use this as a stone and vinyl layout. So I can add my glitter background on top of my red stones. So you're going to have this option with all three of the different fonts. So with our 3 letter, it's going to work a little bit differently. So I'm going to select my V3 left, and I'm just going to type out T, and then uppercase R, and then lowercase w. So on this one, the middle is going to be upper, the left hand side is going to be lower, and same with the right. So on this one, when I do the 3L left, when I make this a little bit bigger, you'll see how the W is facing the wrong way. So I'm just going to highlight that, come up to my font up here, go to the drop down, and this one I'm just going to switch it to the right, and then that's fixed just like that. So same process with the stones. I can have it either or if I want it all stones. Now on this one, I will have to select it and then go ahead and go back and just make sure the stones are facing the right way as well. And then if I want to combine it, I can simply put that right on top of my design. Go ahead and size that up. So you might have to reshape or resize the vector to fit a little bit. Now I didn't resize the stone, so I'll probably want to do that first. And then I can resize my vector to perfectly match up with my stones. So with the 4 color, we just write out our 4 letters first. So we'll just do A as our example. Again, I'm going to do the 4 left. Now, I will want to go in the same. I'm going to go lowercase, uppercase, and then I'm actually going to do the lowercase, uppercase again. So that way I'm going to highlight my font, switch these over to the 4L right, and then that will fix that right for me. So I can repeat the same process. I have the stones. Go ahead and select the top. We'll go ahead and select these 2 here. Because I selected the right, I need to make the 2 on the left match up to the left. So I'm just going to add that to the left. And now I have my 4 stones. So now we have our option of doing it all vector, all stones, or we can do a combination like we did in the first one, where we have the rhinestones on top of the vinyl. Alright guys, if you'd like to purchase the font, please check out the link below. Otherwise, if you have any additional questions, give us a call at 941-755-1696 or shoot us an email at info@therhinestoneworld.com. You have a great day.